Hi, I'm Chris Reed, and this video is about ArguBlogging, a new social media app for online debate from the Argumentation Research Group at Dundee. So we start off by creating a blog for our user ARG-Dundee. We're using the Tumblr blog here. And all the usual capture stuff. So there's our blog created. Now the next thing to do is to visit argublogging.com. Now you can ArguBlog as a guest, but better to use your own blog. So here's ARG-Dundee creating themselves an account at ArguBlogging. This password is only used for ArguBlogging, and it's only used to protect the OAuth keys that provide access to your blog. So there's a bookmarklet, and you drag that personalized bookmarklet to your toolbar, and then you can visit a site such as the BBC News site, find some comment that you want to agree with or disagree with, and click the bookmarklet, and then for the first time at least connect to your blog. And Tumblr or Blogger will ask you to confirm that you want ArguBlogging to have write access to your blog. Once you've done that, you can start formulating your opinion, your comment. So in this case, the original comment is talking about potential bias in media organizations, and ARG-Dundee here, the user, is disagreeing with that. They're going to be posting to Tumblr, and they're disagreeing. And there we go. So that's being posted now to the Tumblr blog. And we can view the updated blog. So that's how it appears on the blog, with a snippet from the original, some context, and the ArguBlog response. We can also see it in the kind of native AIF representation, which is accessible both from the ArguBlogging widget and also from the original blog itself. So now we look at another user. This is me, and I'm following ARG-Dundee's blog, and I notice that they've said something that I don't agree with. So here's the offending text, and obviously I'm an ArguBlogger, so I have the bookmarklet installed for me, and I disagree with what they're saying. So the BBC is certainly filled with Western drivel. There we go. Now my blog happens to be on Blogger. So I send my post to my Blogger blog, and again I can view the conversation. Now when I click through the conversation, I notice that somebody else has introduced a new argument. So there's an argument about bias here. This has come from somebody else, ARG-DD, and I can click on the little button that's included in the blog post to respond and say how wholeheartedly I agree with them, and provide a further reason, like this. And again post to my Blogger blog. And again, there's the post on my blog. And you can click through to the conversation that shows the overall picture. And of course, because these are AIF resources, they're available for all of the usual tools and systems that work with and manipulate and extend and visualize AIF resources. So, for example, if you go to the AIF search page, then we could do a search for drivel and come up with the arguments that have just been entered using ArguBlogging. So hopefully that gives you a sense of how ArguBlogging works. For more information, please visit argublogging.com or the ARG-Dundee website. Thank you for watching.